I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. I just baked this beautiful piece of puff pastry. I want to make a Napoleon for the family with it. So I cooked some pastry cream. It's just cold now and the puff pastry is still a little bit warm. So I'm just going to trim the side. Now I'm going to cut that in three. A little bit of the pastry cream into my piping bag. What I want to do is add the cream here on the middle. A very simple Napoleon. Then second layer. This on top. So there is a lot of different ways to put together a Napoleon, and this is maybe the easiest one. So I hope that helped.